Hi, I'm Harvey Wright, and we are out at the Missouri Botanical Garden today with Luke LeBeau, John Ofield, Mark Schnesk, and Lauren Kuntz. We're with Seiler Geodrones, and we're being hosted by Kayla Flam. We're going to be scanning the Climatron and the surrounding area using multiple 3D lasers as well as photogrammetry. We'll be using the DJI Matrice 300 with an L1 LiDAR sensor, along with the Phantom 4 and its photogrammetry sensor. We'll also be using the Trimble X7 static scanner and the GeoSlam Zeb Horizon mobile LiDAR scanner. Enjoy the data, and we'll see you all soon. Thank you.
Thank you.